Do you have a dog or a cat? I've got a product that's going to help you out. Stick around. Hello everybody and welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you being here. We're actually out of the shack today. Here we are in my living room. And several of you know we're kind of on the market to sell our house. Well, part of that process is getting the house cleaned up and ready for showing. And when you have a dog and a cat, you have one big problem: fur, shedding, problems like that. And we actually just purchased a used couch, but a nice couch at that, to combat some of these issues, kind of help our house sell. And we wanted to keep the fur off of everything. Well, I've got a product that is going to help you out if you are needing a easy, great way to remove hair and dog fur and cat fur, stuff like that. Here it is. This is called the Chom Chom roller, Chom Chom roller, okay? So giving you a good look at what it is basically you have this microfiber fur along with some rubber blades here. And this is just gonna roll right across the edge of your couch or your chair, whatever furniture that you need to remove the hair from. So I'm gonna give you a look here at what we're dealing with. This is our new couch, right? And on the camera, it doesn't look too terribly hairy, but when you get down to it, see all that hair? See all that hair? Yeah, that's a problem. So you take your Chom Chom, and we're gonna start back here in the back, and you just press it down really nice and firm, and just roll, and roll, and roll. Roll until that hair goes away. Look at that. Super, super easy. Got some more right here, right like so. You have a hard time keeping your pets off the furniture, guys, this is a must-have, an absolute must-have. Now, am I saying that it's foolproof? No, I'm not saying that at all. But what I'm saying is that this will help a lot. As you can tell, most of it's gone. Got some more back here. Are you gonna pick up every hair? No, probably not. But this thing works with not a lot of effort. You can see that? We're just pulling it right off. Pretty easy. And I know my shadow is getting in the way, guys, so it's hard to see. But if you have a pet, let me flip the camera back around here. If you have a pet, the Chom Chom is a great, great tool to have. If you can't stand the dog hair or the cat hair, buy this now. Links down in the description. Real quick, Josh from the future here. I forgot to show y'all one thing before I wrap up this video. Check this out. There's your hair right there. See all that hair collected down in there? It works. Buy it. Links in the description. Guys, thank you so much for watching HamShackTV. I know this video is not related to ham radio, but when I find a product that I like, I'm going to share it with you guys. Go check it out, links in the description. You'll find it on Amazon, great price too. The Chom Chom roller, go check it out. 73s, AA4WX, WSCB 693.